Yes, the off-road hunters are back, and it's our first official long ride. 8 riders, and we are riding to Coorg. We had gone down to the waterfall and we came back and saw my rear tires almost flat, bro. And the participation is very good this time. It's 8 people, bro.
Abba lottery.
And we are riding to Coorg. I thought I'll go directly somewhere a little far away and then initiate the vlog, but I didn't have the camera on, sadly. No, it's not sad, the guy fell very hard. A local boy from Kunigal here, he was in his Splendor and he fell very hard in front of me, just in front of me. So all boys had stopped to just help him out. We had Dettol and stuff and everything. We got him patched up and we sent him. I know not all good deeds are meant to be recorded, so I didn't want to record and do sensationalism there.
अरे देवा 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 मैं तो तेरे को हरामी समझता था तो राम निकला रे देव मानुस निकला रे.
I'm back with a motovlogging vlog. Whoa. I guess this is one of the very reasons my channel is going for a toss. I am leading the ride today as usual.
Wow, nice.
But boys are complaining that I am riding very fast.
Yes, బతుకు ఛీ ఎందుకని నువ్వు బతుకుతావు?
Yeah, boys are complaining that I'm riding too fast and they're not able to keep pace with me.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
So I've decided to slow down a bit. Just imagine you have like a superbike or something on this road, dude. Full ripping AF. Not advisable. Speed thrills but kills. By the way, the main objective for us to go towards Coorg, the main reason is we are going yet again to camp at Bettatur. Now he has completely rebranded the place and it's no more camp at Bettatur, it is Orbit Adventure Coorg. And the host remains the same, of course. It's Mr. Varun. He is one hell of a host. I will link the videos of the last year. It was 2024 February. It was almost the end of winter. We had been there, but it was a crazy experience. It was just the 4 of us, but now it is the 8 of us.
Let's go.
Within a year, riders taking part in rides has increased and doubled, as you can see, and the off-road hunters now are almost about 70 plus.
ಇದು actually ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು.
By the way, the admin team of off-road hunters, me and Mr. Rahul, did something fun and unique this time. We invested some money and got a little goodies for our fellow riders. We want to keep the morale boosted and they need to feel good to come be a part of a ride with us. I think that's the main reason why we even invested so much money for this. See, unknowingly I'm going almost about 100 kilometers per hour. The road is so good actually. Route update, we are taking the Chandrayapatna Hole Narsipura road and not the usual boring ass Mysore road. where you have to ride on those pathetic service road. It's not a bad road. You got that it's a bad road because it's well tarred up, but it's really annoying, extremely annoying.
Chi 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 re no ni chi. Chi 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 re no ni chi re chi re chi.
We are 2 hours 21 minutes away from our Manjalpatti destination because we don't want to directly go to the camp, because what's a road trip without exploration? And as the Manjalpatti, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Yes, the Manjalpatti off-road is open for all now. Why not attempt it? It's not a difficult one per se, but it's fun. Of course, it's fun. And importantly, with the luggage with us, we have to be a little considerate and ride a little slow. We've already crossed Chandrayapatna, and one more objective of today was to explore B roads and not directly reach the destination through the highway. So that is the main purpose of coming from this side. Also, our chief navigator of our group, Mr. Zishan, was given the task to find some crazy road, and he even messaged me yesterday saying I am working on it and he's gonna give us some crazy ass road to Sakleshpur. But sadly, Mr. Zishan couldn't deliver on time. And I had to figure out a road which included some kind of B roads. Not completely B roads, but almost B roads.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
And of course, a lot of unexplored scenic places in the Coorg. We are gonna go to a lot of falls. We're gonna see a lot of falls. I can't guarantee whether there's gonna be water in those falls, and I will name those waterfalls as well as we almost reach them. But for now, let's not let's not spoil the fun for you guys, and I will let you guys enjoy the scenery. Even though the scenery is like bloody awesome, the roads are kinda getting messed. Oh my god. Why does this kind of a road need a hump, man? Please tell me. Yarre, Hale Narsipura. What is Hale Narsipura famous for? All of these places are on the borders, on the brinks of Shravanabellagola, so they have earned their name because of Shravanabellagola. But apart from that, I think sugarcane. Apart from sugarcane, not really sure. I will Google it for sure and put it up here. Let us make the vlog more informatic. If there is a word called informatic.
Bygone.
Back in my touring get-up after a very long time. The jacket was chilling in the Almera for a very long time, and today it has got an opportunity to come out. Arkalagodu, Mysuru. Right. And by the way, from here, if you come towards Arkalagodu from Hole Narsupura, Chandrayapatna road, you take a left towards Madikeri. But because we are not going towards Madikeri, we are coming straight. We are going towards Samarpete. We want to explore some alternate routes and alternate sceneries rather than just sticking to almost state highway. We've been stretching for almost more than an hour and a half now, and now it's time for us to stop. Otherwise, we'll stop feeling our asses then. We are almost in the foothills of Western Ghats.
Abba laundry.
And as you guys know, hashtag I love the Western Ghats. Hashtag I love the Sahyadri. Be it the Queen of Hills, Ooty, be it Chikmagalur, be Wayanad, be literally everywhere. Oh, actually, I haven't explored the Maharashtra side of the Sahyadri. That I'll have to do it one day, inshallah.
Here I am!
Through these inside roads, we're not finding any restaurant to eat, I guess. But there's a Xerox Angadi if you want. So we are back on the road. We are in somewhat. Is this a wildlife sanctuary? Yes, okay, we officially enter Coorg, I guess, from here. This is kind of a reserve forest. Not kind of, it is a forest. Ooh, Bandipur vibes, bruh. This might not be a core jungle, but it is a jungle for sure.
क्या? ये क्या बक रहे हो?
Let's see if I spot a name board of which jungle this is. But yeah, I know the nearby area of Coorg. It is called Shanivara Sante. This jungle is bordering Shanivara Sante. By the way, we had actually kind of taken a small detour because we were not able to find any restaurants. So we had been to a village called Konanuru. And there is a Kaveri hanging bridge in Konanuru. It's famous for that. And after having a decent veg breakfast in Konanuru, we are heading towards our first destination for today.
Wait!
It is called the Kote Abbi Waterfalls.